Welcome to Delicious Recipes. We have Yayla soup on our menu today. Let's start now. Let's add 100 milliliters of rinsed rice to a pot. I am adding 600 milliliters of hot water to it. I will let it simmer until the rice softens. It has been 15 minutes and as you can see, the rice has swollen. I have boiled 200 milliliters of water and 400 milliliters of chicken broth in this other pot. Now I am pouring it over the first pot and I am letting it boil up again. The soup has boiled up, so I will prepare its sauce now. In a mixing bowl, I am beating 1 egg and adding 200 milliliters of yogurt to it. I will continue to beat it. Now let's add a tablespoon of flour and a teaspoon of salt to it. I will keep mixing it until I have a smooth paste. Let's take 2 ladlefuls of the soup and pour it in the mixing bowl. Let's mix it well before pouring it back in the pot. While pouring it very slowly, I am also stirring the soup. This way I can make sure the egg in the sauce doesn't clump up. After adding the sauce to the soup, let's leave it to simmer for 10 more minutes. In the meantime, let's make the topping sauce. I am adding 1 tablespoon of butter to a small saucepan and I am leaving it to melt. Let's now add a tablespoon of dried mint to it. Let's stir it a couple of times and turn the heat off. Let's now pour this final sauce into the soup. It's time to serve it in the bowls. It's such a delicious and nutritious soup, and I highly recommend that you try it.